What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a minute to talk about why retention is such a pivotal point of your business. Now, insurance agents are constantly on the hamster wheel of trying to outright premiums, keep writing more and more production each and every year. How about if we just took an extra 2 to 5 minutes in every presentation that we made, whether it be on the phone or in the field, to make sure we retain those clients? How much more money could you make if your persistency was 85, 90, 95%? You know what the average persistency for most people is 70%. That's nuts. 30% of your business is falling off the books. Let's do some easy math real quick. Let's say you write $100,000 of issue paid life insurance premium, right? And you have 70% stick. That's $70,000, okay? Now, let's say you're at 100% contract. We'll do some easy math. So 70K, what is that? Say 6K a month, okay? Which is what? 1,500 a week? You make 1,500 a week. Let's say you write this on 20 direct mail leads a week. That's it, okay? You're a pretty good agent, your average premium's not bad, maybe you're running final expense in the field, 20 direct mail leads a week. Let's say those leads cost $375 per 1,000, right? Or about $750 a week on leads. 375 times 1,000, you're expecting a 1% lead return. That turns into $750 a week in lead spend. So right there, you're losing half of your money on a weekly basis. So your net commissions is $750 a week. Now that doesn't include gas, mileage, if you're on the phones, maybe phone expenses, Wi-Fi, etc., or all your other bills. That's not so sexy, writing 100K and making 100% commission. Now, what if we could change that? What if you could take your script that you're using and just add another 2 to 5 minutes to it and maintain a 90% retention rate, okay? Off 100K, that's gonna add an additional $20,000 into your pocket just by changing up your script and retaining your clients. Now, how you change up your script, you might ask? Well, I have an answer for you. I put together a webinar, okay, based solely around increasing your retention rate and getting you to 90% plus persistency. So that way, you're spending an extra 2 to 5 minutes solidifying that sale, whether you're in the house or on the phone, and that's gonna lead to an additional $20,000 in your pocket every single year. That's only if you're writing 100K. I know some of you out there right now are like, 100K, I write like 400,000. And my persistency is 70%. Awesome. Well, if you're at 100% contract and you're writing 400,000 and I teach you to go from 70 to 90%, you're gonna put an additional $80,000 back into your pocket with this webinar. I promise it will help you. Go check it out right now, PeteFournier.com, retention webinar. I'll see you soon.